What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how to earn money with Prizerebel.com. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. Prizerebel. At the moment we are on their homepage. Take surveys, make money online, get free PayPal cash and gift cards from iTunes, Amazon, Visa, Steam and eBay. Here's how the site works. You sign up, which is 100% free. You earn points by completing short opinion, surveys and easy offers. Then you redeem your points for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of gift cards. Here you can check some of the rewards that Prizerebel members got. Here you can see a member have gotten PS5, and here you can see one has also gotten a desktop. So what is Prizerebel.com? Prizerebel is free to use survey panel that was started in 2007 in sunny California with the goal of connecting market researchers and opinion survey takers like yourself. We are trusted by over 12 million registered users globally and have paid over $20 million in reward to our loyal members. Our goal is to provide you with consistent extra income where you can take paid survey from the comforts of your home, and when you are on a quick break from your school or work. Here are some of the sites they have been featured on. They are featured on Trustpilot. Here they have also been featured on Survey Police and Site Jabber and Insider. So here you can also just go through to read more about their site. You can go through their frequent asked questions and also read to see if this site suits you to work with, or if you can start making money with this site. So in order for us to start earning money with Prizerebel.com, we have to register. You can also join the site using your Facebook account or your Gmail account. Then you just click here, start making money. Since we already have an account with them, so we just go ahead and sign in. So after signing up, you'll be taken to your dashboard. So here on your dashboard, there are various ways that you can earn money with them. So when you go to the earn section, so here you can participate with your daily surveys to earn with them. So with the daily surveys, you earn about 54 points by completing this survey. You just have to follow some few steps. They will ask some questions, then you answer the questions. Then when you are qualified, you earn 54 points for completing the survey. So another way that you can also earn with them is through their peanut labs. At the moment you don't have any offers with the peanut labs, but you can come back later on to get some offers to complete. Another way that you can also earn with them is through their ad gate. So with the ad gate, these are some offers that you can complete to earn some points. Here you can participate with your survey, answer some profile questions about yourself, and our system will determine if the selected survey is a good fit based on your answer. Complete your survey honestly and completely. Get paid for your efforts through your favorite rewards platform. So here, after completing this survey, and if your survey is valid, you earn 29 points for completing this survey. And you also have another finance survey, which you can also earn 4 points for completing it. You can also complete these surveys and earn 1 point for completing these surveys. Some of these surveys are games that you have to participate for completing with them. In order to earn, you can just load more to earn more, to participate in more surveys to be able to earn with them. And another way you can also earn with Prizerebel is through their offer total. So on the offer total, here you can earn about 126 points for completing this My Gym. Here, play and reach level 23 within 14 days to be able to earn these points. So you can just go through them. And here we have the iOS. You can also sort them by mobile apps, or you can sort them on desktop only. So here you can just participate with these offers. After completing them, these are some of the points that you earn. With the Mafia City on Android, play and reach mission level 21 within 40 days. Then you earn 1,252 points for completing it. So you can just go through the surveys to see the one that you see fits. After completing, then you earn this amount of points. So that's how you earn with these surveys. Just go through, then you complete the surveys, then you earn these points. Here you can also earn through their ad gen. So on the ad gen, so these are some of the surveys that you have to participate to earn. So here, these are offers that you have to complete in order to earn this amount of points. So when you complete this, you earn about 29 points, or you can earn about 1,025 points. And here you can just go through these offers to see the one you see fits that you complete or participate with the offer. After completing them, then you earn this amount of points. So that's how you earn with the Agent. Here you can also earn with the i8 Studios with BitLabs Survey Walls. Complete survey from BitLabs Survey Walls to earn additional points. So here, after completing this survey, you can also earn up to 184 points. So these are some surveys that you can participate to earn. Just go through them. to see the ones that you want to participate with. Here you can also earn with the AdSense. And here, when you come to the future aspect, earn points by completing any of the offers below. Unlock our highly paying survey by completing a market research profile. So these are the surveys that you can participate to earn some points with them. Here you can take a survey, then you earn about 13.8 points. And here is the game hub. Here you earn about 27.6 points. So these are some free surveys you can also participate. You can also earn through their videos. There are no more offers available at the moment. You can also earn, but later on when you come back, you get some videos to watch and earn some points. And here you can also participate with their surveys. And you have the shopping. When you join the platform, then you shop, you earn some points. And you have the free trials that you can also earn, and the sign-ups. You also have the mobile apps that you can also participate to earn with. So you can also earn with the revenue universe. So here in the revenue universe, these are some offers that you have to complete to earn. So when you complete this, get points for every survey you take. There's no limit to how many surveys you participate in. So you can earn about 34 points for completing this survey. You can also earn bonus points, earn unlimited points by taking surveys. So these are some offers that you can just complete to earn. So you can just go through them, then participate with them, then earn these points, which can be converted to PayPal money or gift cards. So here, let's also go through the rewards. So here, these are some rewards that you can also get for participating with this site. You can get about $5 Amazon gift card. You can also get $5 PayPal money, $20 Amazon gift card. These are some rewards you can also earn by participating with this site. So here you can see recent rewards. You can see some have earned rewards. Here you can see $5 PayPal money, $10 PayPal money claimed, $5 Amazon gift card claimed. These are some of the rewards that you can earn for participating with Prizerebel.com. Here you can also win by participating with their raffles. You can enter their raffles to earn Amazon gift cards. So these are some raffles that are still ongoing, which you can enter to participate with them. Participate to earn. So these are some upcoming raffle. $10 Red Robin gift card. So you can just participate with them. And if you emerge as a winner, you can win a $5 Amazon gift card or a $5 eBay gift card. You can also earn through their lucky number. So first, how many tickets will you like to buy? So one ticket will cost you 20 points. 22 tickets will cost you 40 points. So after earning some points, you can convert your points to a ticket to participate with this lucky number. You can see the last winners. You can see some have won 300 points, some have won 150 points. So when you participate with them, you can win this amount of points. Here you go. You can also participate with the contest to win. So here you can also participate with the offer wars contest. So with the offer wars contest, these are their rules that you have to follow the rules in order to be able to participate and likely win. And this US only survey contest that you can participate, just follow the rules. And this international survey contest, they can also participate. And this is also a referral contest, you can also participate. And here you can look at the leaderboard. You can just go through them to see if you really want to participate in the contest. And you can also refer your friends to earn. So when you come to the referral page, tell your friends, family and classmates about Prizerebel. So here you refer, you earn passively, then you redeem your rewards. As your referrer earn by completing surveys, you will earn a 15% bonus based on their earning. So here if they earn 1,000 points, that which is $10, so every 100 points is equivalent to $1. So if they earn 1,000 points, which is $10, you will earn 150 points, which is $1.50. There are no limits on how much you can earn. So you just refer your friends, then you earn 15% bonus from what they have earned. And here these are some of the ways to refer through your YouTube and your vlogging, social media and blogging. So you can just participate with their referral to refer your friends and your families and also earn a commission from it. And here you can also level out. At the moment I'm on browse. With each level you earn certain benefits. To reach each level you must earn the specific require of points for each level as stated below. So with the silver you need about 10,000 points, and with the gold about 4,500 points, with the platinum which is 10,000 points, and the diamond which is 16,000 points. So when you're able to get this point, these are the commission that you get. I'm currently on browse, which is the 15 points for your referral. And here with the silver which you have 20 points, the gold 25 points, and the platinum which is 25 points, and here with the diamond which is 30 points. So you can also see the special bonuses and their price discounts. Also go through them. So that's how the price level works. You can just go through to make sure to be able to earn this amount of points that you upgrade your level. So after you have participated with Prizerebel and earn some points, you can either withdraw through PayPal Cash or Amazon gift card or eBay gift card. You can withdraw through the various ways that you want, which are some of the options that you have to withdraw. So this is how you earn with Prizerebel.com. So you can just go through the sites to earn with them. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.